I just wrapped up subject 1, so I'm going to be doing some packing as well as some merchandise and a new drop that released last month. Alright, I'm going to start by packing these drips that we've made. The drips were a collaborated piece between me and a fellow friend who also collects and creates her own toys. She goes by K-May Creates. She's well known for collecting and curating these really cool interior spaces. So the idea behind this was to really come up with a piece that we can share with other people in their spaces, as well as in public spaces. Here's something pretty unique. The first batch of drips actually turned out to look like glass. The second batch kind of resembled frozen water. So these large drips are just prototypes. I'm actually planning on going down to Seattle and take some photos and hopefully a vlog of the process. Maybe we'll find some cool places to put these. This is the tedious process where you have to score each of these. To make these little header cards. I recently released this crew neck and I'm going to be packing them up in some orders. I figured it'd be fun for creatives to have something that they can wear. Drips are all packed up. Before I send these out, I'm gonna pack up subject 1. That's from a previous video that I just wrapped up, and some merch. While this is printing, I'm sending out email confirmations to all these orders. It's definitely back and forth copying the tracking number and sending it through my online shop. All that is left is putting on their shipping labels, and I can take them to the post office and wrap up this video. This is what it really looks like to pack behind the scenes. I know a lot of you guys don't really get to see this part of the job. I'm hoping soon I'll be able to hire some help. Other than that, still have some merch available. Go pick some up on my online shop using the link below. Oh, one other thing. It's Boba Fett Mini 3-inch. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I worked on a 8-inch version, and look out for a video of this guy really soon. Now that I have all this space cleared, you can catch Gator going on behind the scenes. I'll share more content really soon. Pretty cool. This one's next. So thanks for sticking around. I'm gonna make it to the post office, and I'll catch you in the next one.